All right. We got some props here, Fitz.
Yeah, we got the props. I love it. And this time, you're making sure that the mic.
Okay. Are we good? So I'll say, what are you doing here? And then tell me what you're doing, and then you can give me the dealio.
Sounds good.
Right, because we're going to promote these, right?
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you got it.
3, 2, 1. Hit it.
All right, my man Thaddeus. Welcome to Beef Bootleggers Chophouse.
It's awesome to be here.
We're at Meatstock 2026. What brings you here?
I'm at Meatstock for 2 reasons. So I'm a speaker. I spoke yesterday on the effect of light, sleep, and health, and especially hormones.
Yeah.
So we're talking all the things, like you've got all the carnivores here. It's been phenomenal meeting all these people. It's amazing, their health journeys and stories. And we bring a piece that's usually missing, which is how light impacts our hormone, sleep, and health.
So tell us a little bit about that.
So number one, most people aren't aware that our light environment is hugely important to both our health and our sleep. So most people, we're focused on food, we're focused on movement, and that's super important. But my understanding and my learning, so I had massive anxiety and insomnia for almost my whole life, for 30 years. And I had to solve that. And I started with supplements, I started with food, I did all the movement, I was doing everything right, and I still couldn't dial in my anxiety and insomnia. What I found is my light environment, the light we're bathing in all day long, cannot be supplemented away if you have a poor light environment. So once you get your light environment right, your diet, your nutrition, your supplements, they work so much better. So I educate people now all about those things. And my wife and I created a company to sell these special glasses. They're called blue light blocking glasses, and they protect our hormones, our melatonin, our sleep, and our eyes from the wrong light environment.
Fantastic. What do we got going on right here?
So these are for you. These are a pair of daytime blue light blocking glasses that protect your eyes from studio lights. Actually, sunglasses, back in the day, back in the 1920s, they were invented for people that worked in the movie studios, for the actors. So the actors were under this harsh lighting all day long, and it was affecting their eyes. And so they needed something to protect their eyes from the studio lights, because what they didn't know is the lights were causing free radical damage to their eyes. So they started wearing glasses indoors under the studio lights. And what happened is Sam Foster, back in 1925 or so, said, you know what, everybody wants to look like a movie star. I'm going to create sunglasses, quote unquote, and have everybody wear sunglasses outdoors to look like movie stars. And so sunglasses were never intended to be worn outdoors during the day. And in fact, when we wear sunglasses outside, it stops our body from reading the UV light. And so the UV light tells our body how much melanin to produce, so we get a tan. When we wear sunglasses, we don't know how much UV is in the air, and we get sunburned. So we need to read that light. We should actually be wearing glasses indoors at night and indoors on devices.
Yeah. Well, I'm already loving this right now. So you were mentioning the benefits. Is it really an enhancer to all of those other best practices, or is it just a best practice on its own?
Both. So number one, everybody in a lot of these health and wellness spaces, they're trying to optimize health, wellness, fitness, longevity. And if you get your light environment right, all of that gets better. So if you have a poor light environment, you really can't out-supplement a poor light environment. So people are doing carnivore, people are doing healthy living, ketogenic diet, whatever it is, and then they still have some issues with sleep, or they still have energy or parasympathetic issues. We can't get relaxed. And so when we find out that the light actually causes stress, and the light destroys our rejuvenation and repair hormone at night, when we fix that light environment, now everything, your beauty care, your healthcare regimen, your diet, it works better. Your gains, if you're in the gym working out, we gain muscle when we rest. And if you're not getting that melatonin at night, we're not repairing the cells and rejuvenating and building muscle at night while we sleep.
Yeah, well, it's a huge, important factor. I've neglected it. This is the first time I'm wearing some glasses like this.
It's good to see you.
But it's chilling me out already. I mean, I can already feel a little bit of a benefit. And I think that you're right. Maybe just if we just think about the strain that we have on our eyes, it's almost maybe a subconscious energy drain. Right, so we're just carrying that, and again, maybe our mood and these other type of things. Because I've found meat is a great mood enhancer, and I could only imagine I'm going to be wearing these all day right here, but I'm probably going to be chilling out a little bit more.
It's so cool because when people put these on, they immediately start feeling a little bit
that.
relaxation.
It didn't take much time to just kind of relax.
And so what's happening is the bright lights in front of us, It's the blue frequency of light, and that's why these are called blue blockers. Our eyes only read 2 types of light with special receptors. Ultraviolet light with a neuropsin receptor, and blue light with a melanopsin receptor. That's it. And when we see blue light, we increase cortisol, which is okay during the day, but too much cortisol is no good.
That's right. That's right. You're not supposed to have screen time as you get closer to bed. We're all busy, we're all working, we're probably not behaving ourselves in that regard. But if I'm wearing these, maybe would I cut my screen time 1 hour before bed or something like that? Do you have any best practice recommendations on when we want to cut our screen time in general? And then maybe when I'm wearing these, what would I want to cut off a screen that I'm looking at home?
So there's a recommendation I can give people, and most people that are entrepreneurs like us. So I have a corporate executive job and I'm an entrepreneur. I don't get the option all the time of getting off my screens.
Yeah.
But if you can get off your screen an hour before bed, that's huge, like really huge, because we know the National Institute of Health, the World Health Organization have said that artificial light exposure at night is associated with cancer, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and insomnia. Completely, clearly linked. So anytime you can get off those screens an hour before bed, awesome. But if you can't, the benefit is you get a pair of these glasses with the orange lenses for nighttime. And that will block 100% of the blue light from screens, overhead lights, all of it. You can watch movies. You can do the same things you've always done. You're just going to do them a little differently by wearing these glasses. And then you don't necessarily have to get off an hour before bed.
Right. I love that, because we really need to optimize for time as much as ourselves, and it's a balance. And a lot of times we're making that trade-off where we're going to kill our optimize health practices a little bit because we're business people. We got stuff we got to do. What's a pair of one of these run?
So here at the conference, we have a special deal, but on our website, which is Dreamwalkers with a Z.ai. So on that website, you can pick these up for anywhere between $89 and $129 a pair. And some people think that seems expensive, but if you look at the other blue light blocking brands out there, we made glasses specifically for women. So my wife is the CEO, and then we have a few glasses on there for men. So we're wearing the men's glasses if anyone sees the video.
Yeah.
So we have a few men's glasses, and most of the blue light blocking glass companies are like Biohacker Bro companies. They're all glasses designed only for men, not women, and they generally run about $189 to $389 each. So we try to keep ours more accessible, so you can get pairs. People are going to break them; they want to re-up and get a new pair. Ours are a lot more accessible than many other glasses out there. So between $89 and $129.
Love that. And you said that there's a different lens that's also orange. So I would be buying 2 separate pairs of glasses, right?
Everybody should get 2 different pairs unless you're working a job that keeps you outdoors. If you're outdoors, you don't want to wear glasses, sunglasses, contacts, or blue blockers if you can, because you want natural
that's interesting.
sunlight.
Okay, so I certainly want to take these off when I'm outside, let that sun hit my eyes naturally.
Absolutely, you have to. Like, we are designed biologically to make use of nature, and part of nature is natural sunlight. We should allow our eyes to adjust the natural sunlight. It tells us where we are on the planet, what time of year it is, and what hormones to produce when. People have all these hormone issues from all sorts of things, and a lot of it comes from the light, because the light is a signal for our hormones. So during the day, when you're on a device indoors, yellow glasses. At night, watching TV, looking at your phone, on your laptop, orange lens glasses. They block 100% of blue light at night. You don't want any blue light, because our ancestors would have never seen blue light at night. They would have seen firelight or darkness at night for all of human history.
Right. I love it. Do you have a buy 2 special where I'm going to get the yellow and the orange?
So at the show, we have buy one, get one half off.
Okay, there we go.
On the website, if you put a pair in your basket that's either a daytime or a nighttime, you should get served up an offer to buy another pair for half price.
Fantastic. And then just as we wrap things up, so you told us tell us the website again, but also maybe where we can find you on Instagram or social or whatever.
For sure. So our website is Dreamwalkers with a Z, .ai. .com was taken, so we're .ai.
It's all good.
And then on Instagram, we're Dreamwalkers AI, all one word. And on YouTube, we're at Primal Hacker. So I used to be known as the Primal Hacker. I did all these primal things. I was an influencer for a number of years up until about 2020. So my YouTube channel is still there, and that would be under Primal Hacker, where all this information on light, health, cold, sleep is there for free.
I love it. Awesome. Thanks for coming by.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
You bet. Hey, Fitzy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I had her scheduled at 12.
Oh, no. Okay. Good.
Sorry.
Thaddeus, man, that was awesome.
Hey, appreciate it.
You bet.